How to change or turn off passcode on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch settings, scroll down and navigate to the option Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your current passcode over here. You'll be directed to this page. Now scrolling down, you're going to find this option, change passcode or turn off passcode. If you want to change passcode, click on this option. Your Face ID will be enabled. If you have enabled security delay, you will need to click on this option, start security delay. After completion of 1 hour, you will be able to change the passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your current passcode first. Once you type in, now you'll need to type in new passcode and confirm it. With that, your new passcode will be updated. Likewise, if you want to turn off passcode on your device, head back. Now navigate to the option Turn Passcode Off. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your current passcode. Once you type in that, you'll be good to go. You have turned off the passcode. And that's it. This way you can easily change or turn off passcode on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.